All right, hi, Braden. I have your sim game method here. Looking at it, I just used your old code. I'm assuming it's still okay or whatever because I didn't have the other files, but I think this will still make sense. So everything, I ran it in the debug mode, just kind of stepping through it. That's how I figured this out. And everything is running good. And I think the error is this check to see if it's tied. That makes sense. But then when you do sim OT, if I go into this method here, it does these methods or whatever, but it doesn't change the actual integers. So I got to go back to find where I was. So after this runs, you need to do what you did right here. So you need to reset scores 1 and 2, right? Because the SimOT changes the home score and the away score variable, but it does not change the actual array values. So you'd need to reset it there, right? And then what you have here too is the SimOT. Let's see. So if you want to keep doing OTs, I would just do this. So I would do like a while loop that just keeps going. So instead of having this if, we can say while the scores are equal, keep simulating OT, right? And I think that'll work. The only problem is it seemed like the scores were matching all the time to me. So maybe I'll do something like this where maybe I'll just do a count. So I'll do int num OTs set equal to 1 maybe. So, and I'll say while the scores are equal and num OTs is below 5 or 6 or something. And then I'll do a plus plus num OTs here. Okay, because I feel like the scores are coming out the same all the time. So this will prevent it from being an infinite loop if we have that problem. So now I'm going to run it and it's ending, but I keep getting the same score. So maybe there's something in the randomness where they're always coming out the same for some reason. Um, so yeah, so I would definitely change the while loop to look like this. Make sure you do update this, and then you don't necessarily need this numots thing here if you can figure out why the scores aren't the same. So there must be something in the random logic that's making them the same. So that's it. Keep reaching out if you got questions. Hope that makes sense.